Hello and good day. We are looking at song Boy Yangu by Winky D. This is a song about being always vigilant in your life. It encourages hard work and ability to discern who to associate with and who not to. There will be people out there that can derail your progress towards your goals. Boy Yangu here can refer to your life goals and aspirations. Kurara kupa mandu mukana. Always be vigilant so as not to give the enemy the chance to strike while least you're unaware. The singer is encouraging high dedication toward achieving your goals when he says, Kuva nasi handicharara ndiri kuchengetedza boy yangu. When you have set goals for your life, even the day becomes shorter. There is even less time to sleep as you work towards attaining these life goals that you have set for yourselves. Sometimes you can fail to achieve your own goals by your own failings, but the singer also warns that we need to be aware that not all people are for you when he says, Varipo wobo vakanditea kuda kudonedza boy yangu. These are people who will do anything to see you fail. We even see that some of these people that are close to you and you trust them at your own peril. The singer says, I used to defend them, but now I am fully aware of their intentions. We see this on the lines where he says, Ndaiti inema ndichivarambira, ndazopepuka zvino ndangwarira. Armed with the knowledge of who is for you and who is not, helps in prioritizing your time with specific people. Vanoshuwira kuti zvizondinetsa, but time yavari kuwesta. The basics of this song are that be vigilant. Surround yourself with those that build you. Avoid the negative people who might be there to discourage you or even to derail you completely from your goals. Cheers.